In today's episode, we take a closer look at Frank Ocean, the critically acclaimed musician and singer-songwriter known for his unique sound that blends R&B, soul, and pop. A highly private artist who rarely gives interviews, Ocean's personal life and sexuality have long been subjects of discussion and curiosity among fans and media. So, is Frank Ocean gay? Let's find out. Frank Ocean, born Christopher Bro in 1987, first gained recognition in the Odd Future hip-hop collective before breaking out with his 2012 debut studio album Channel Orange, which received widespread critical acclaim and a Grammy Award. Known for his vulnerable, narrative songwriting, his music often explores themes of love, loss, and identity. His subsequent album, Blonde 2016, solidified his status as an artistic visionary. Is Frank Ocean gay? Frank Ocean identifies as bisexual. In July 2012, just before the release of Channel Orange, Ocean posted a message on his Tumblr blog confirming that his first love was a man. He wrote the letter originally to his friends and family, detailing his experiences and expressing gratitude for the love he felt. This post was widely celebrated as a brave and significant moment for visibility, especially within the often homophobic hip-hop community. Ocean has maintained his identity while remaining private about his dating life. Rumors of a relationship with UFC fighter Peyton Talbot have circulated since early 2025, fueled by social media posts from both individuals, but neither has publicly confirmed a romance, preferring to keep their bond private. As of now, Frank Ocean continues to be one of the most enigmatic figures in music. He is known for his intentional artistic process and long breaks between albums. While he remains highly private and rarely performs live or grants interviews, he remains a powerful cultural figure and an important voice for the LGBTQ+ community. Frank Ocean has transformed from a quiet collaborator in a rap collective to a queer music icon who has redefined modern R&B. The main thing is that he is openly bisexual and uses his art to express his authentic self. His journey is a powerful example of authenticity and impact that transcends the typical demands of celebrity culture. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on iconic music stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.